This is a little rebranded Duracraft box fan. It's got this brand on it instead. I used to have one of these. It was from Walgreens, and it had the Aries brand on it, but I tried to oil the motor and I ended up messing it up because I didn't know what I was doing back then. But yeah, that was a long time ago that I had that box fan. You're not using the window, it says it's 3-speed. Blade is gray. The back half is gray. And it's pretty dirty, it needs to be cleaned. It's just got a C-frame motor that needs to be taken apart, cleaned, and oiled. But we'll start it up on low speed. Medium. Blows an okay amount of air. That motor is making a lot of scraping noises. Here's the back of it again. And here is the information. There's a model number right there. If it'll focus. Looks like it says DB 100, 0.6 amps, 40 watts. I don't think there's really much of a startup sound on this, but I'll try and capture it anyway. Go straight up to high. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.